Hey guys, Ron here. I got back the Macintosh 2105 new glass face recapped. I did the big caps at 39,000 microfarad. All the output transistors matched, new ones matched, and I run a fan back there just to keep it cool. And finally back. I didn't do the glass because Macintosh said he'd do it for me. So, C28 preamp, also all done, perfect. This cable goes to the subwoofer, and we got Clip 6000 M2 and the old 610F, and the silver SC2 control relay for speakers, and all done finally. And we got the tuner over there, Macintosh SE1 surround adapter 6.1. A nice graphic equalizer, and the usual stuff. Alright guys, talk to you later. Ciao for now.